શેલ્બી ઓર્થો ટ્રોમા સ્પાઇન વિભાગમાં આપનું સ્વાગત છે. દુનિયાભરના દર્દીઓ વિવિધ બીમારીઓની વિશેષ સારવાર માટે શેલ્બીની મુલાકાત લે છે.
Welcome to Department of Orthopedics. We at Shelby are not only number one in orthopedics across world in joint replacement, but also we are at top in spine, in trauma, in polytrauma, and arthroscopic surgeries, that is sports injuries, also pediatric orthopedics.
અમે ઝીરો તકનીકના નિષ્ણાંત છીએ, જેનો અર્થ એ થાય છે કે ઓછી પીડામાં ઘૂંટણની ગતિ પુનઃ પ્રાપ્ત કરવી, ન્યૂનતમ લોહીની ખોટ અને ઝડપી રિકવરી.
Shelby Hospital is one of the largest unit of orthoplasty in this country and part of this world. And we do large number of surgery. And I am Dr. Pachore, director of hip surgery, and I conduct a DNB orthoplasty course. And we get lot of surgeons from outside the country and inside the country for training program. We have very high-end operating theatre system. We have a high quality of instrumentation and all available implant in the country, which is important for doing any complex surgeries. This hospital, we promote medical tourism, and we have a special ward for international patients, and we take care of them.
We conduct close to 8 to 9,000 replacement surgeries every year. So that way possibly we are the leading center if you consider the number of surgeries that we do every year. And any patient who is denied surgery anywhere because it's too complex, or maybe the patient is not very fit for surgery, because we have got a very good ICU backup, we have got a team of specialists and intensivists, we are able to give treatment to those patients who are denied treatment anywhere in the world.
We are doing around more than 8,000 knee and hip replacement surgeries in a year. Shelby Hospital is very famous for this surgical technique. The name of the surgical technique is Giro technique. If you are doing surgery with the Giro technique, then patient can start walking within 1 or 2 hours after surgery. Pain is very less, blood loss is very less, tissue trauma is very less, and recovery is very fast. So most of the patients whom we operate with this technique, they are able to get discharged within 2 days from day of surgery.
શેલ્બી એ વિશ્વના શ્રેષ્ઠ ટ્રોમા સેન્ટરમાંનું એક છે, જે બહુવિધ ઈજાઓ, ગંભીર ઈજાઓ, કોમ્પ્લેક્સ ફ્રેક્ચર્સ અને નિષ્ફળ ફ્રેક્ચર્સની સારવાર કરે છે. શેલ્બી હોસ્પિટલ્સ 1 લાખથી વધુ સર્જરીઓ સાથે જોઈન્ટ રિપ્લેસમેન્ટ સર્જરીના ચાર્ટમાં ટોપ પર છે. શેલ્બી પાસે કરોડરજ્જુની સારવાર માટે વિશ્વ કક્ષાનું સર્વશ્રેષ્ઠ ઇન્ફ્રાસ્ટ્રક્ચર છે.
As you know, our hospital is an apex institute known worldwide for joint-related and arthritis issues. But I also want to convey that apart from arthroplasty, for which we are world leaders, this hospital also caters to all the vistas of orthopedics like trauma, spine, sports medicine, or any other issue related to orthopedics, and even other super specialties. I just want to convey to the patients that joint-related problems or any other orthopedic problems are easily treatable. Please don't be afraid. Please come to us and we can cure you. Surgery is not always needed. We also treat conservatively when and where it is needed.
શેલ્બીમાં અમારી પાસે 24/7 ICCU કેર યુનિટ, એડવાન્સ્ડ ટ્રોમા OT, ઇમરજન્સી રૂમ, સ્પાઇન યુનિટ, લોહી અને હાડકાની બેંકોની ઉપલબ્ધતા અને સાથે સાથે રિહેબ સેન્ટર પણ ઉપલબ્ધ છે.
We at Shelby Hospital are specialized in complex and revision knee and hip surgeries. Patients from all over the country, from East Africa, from UK, from USA, they come with a hope of getting cured for their problems, for their redo problems, for their complex problems, and we are specialized in revision surgery also.
We are here dealing with all type of anesthesia related to general and high-end surgery, and also related to pain speciality. We are dealing with all type of chronic and acute type of pain.
સુખી મન સ્વસ્થ શરીરમાં રહે છે. સુખી જીવન માટે સ્વસ્થ આરોગ્ય પ્રદાન કરવામાં અમે માનીએ છીએ.
My name is Shama. I am well believing development, and I have been suffering from knee osteoarthritis for the last 7 to 8 years. The pain was was getting intense by the day. Although after having tried all allopathy, alternate medicines like acupuncture and Ayurveda, physios and everything, the pain still not subside, and gradually the degenerations of me was advancing. Finally, I thought of consulting the doctors in India, having heard about a lot about the TKR, total knee replacement surgery. Although I was not very confident or keen getting this done, I came in September 2016 and met Dr. Vikram Shah and his team. Having met him gave me a confidence that yes, it is okay and it will be nice to do the TKR. And I underwent a bilateral knee replacement on 19th October 2016. The team of doctors, the staff, the nurses, the attendants, the physios, everyone is well coordinated, the PROs, and together it's a wonderful team, and they made our stay very comfortable. So I'm glad I came to Shelby Hospital.
Shelby Multi-Speciality Hospitals.